In this tutorial, I will be talking about this question: how do I create an online side hustle? This video includes some of the best ideas and methods for online side hustles. So if you want to learn some good ways to start and create a profitable side hustle online, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I will then create more content for you. Thank you, let's go. Idea number 1, buy and sell. A common side hustle involves buying items and then selling them for a profit on eBay or Craigslist. You can search for items with a high resale value in digital marketplaces, thrift shops and garage sales. First things first, how do you get started selling stuff online? The process is simple, but there are a few things you'll need to prep and decide before you start rolling in the money. Gather the stuff you want to sell and grab a camera or smartphone so you can take clear pictures of your items. Make sure your things are in good condition. Second-hand shoppers will expect a little wear. Just double check that your gadgets work, clothes don't have major rips or stains, shoes don't have holes, those poor unfortunate soles, and bikes and home items are clean and repaired. The cleaner and newer it looks, the higher the chance of selling. Decide if you'd rather complete the sale by meeting buyers at a public place or shipping items from the post office. How much time do you want to spend getting stuff out the door so you can put money in your pocket? There's no right or wrong way, only what's convenient for you. Personally, I like meeting at a coffee shop or grocery store to sell things, but only until the day comes when I can make drone deliveries. Here are a few good resale sites in no particular order. Number 1, Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is free and you can tap into your network of frugal friends to sell almost anything. With local pickup and shipping options, people can find and buy your listings from just about anywhere and you can vet them before meeting. Facebook also makes it easy to add your item to local buy, sell, trade Facebook groups, which is convenient for selling things locally. Number 2 is Craigslist. Craigslist is the OG of resale. Much like the classified section of the newspaper, it's a free website that shows a sales forum in your city. Craigslist works best for furniture, cars, collectibles and home goods. Unfortunately, no one named Craig is going to help you sell things, but with good pictures and descriptions, you can rack up some interest in your stuff. But be aware, in the last few years, there's been tons of scammers who pose as fake buyers. Number 3 is eBay. eBay is awesome for selling collectible items, electronics and vintage or antique pieces, like all the beanie babes that are stuffed under the bed. With auction and buy now options, you choose how buyers purchase your goods. There are some fees with eBay, so read the fine print and list wisely, my friends. Number 4 is Etsy. Etsy is perfect for more than crafters and creatives to sell original art and accessories. If you don't have a creative bone in your body, that's okay. Etsy's marketplace includes handmade items, vintage items and craft supplies. Reselling is only allowed in the vintage and craft supplies categories, but the more unique the better. Someone out there is looking for a 1970s exotic bird lamp just like the one in your attic. There are listing fees you'll want to review for each sale, but they're usually worth it to clear out your stuff. Number 5 is Nextdoor. Nextdoor is a great option to keep sales local. User accounts are based on your neighborhood, so it's a great platform to connect quickly with buyers nearby and meet your neighbors. Number 6 is OfferUp. OfferUp is a free and easy to use app with options to sell locally or ship items. Make a free profile with your email, list your items and work out the price and pick up details with your buyer. Number 7 is Declutter. Declutter is a fast, easy and free way to sell phones, tech, CDs, DVDs and games. The website uses a price generator for listings so you can turn old gadgets into new dollars. Idea number 2, use Gazelle. Gazelle is a company where you can sell used phones and electronics. While finding a steady supply of old phones to sell may be a challenge, repair shops and waste disposal services may be good places to look. According to the company's website, Gazelle is a re-commerce company that buys and sells pre-owned consumer electronics. The website launched in 2008. Today, Gazelle purchases used smartphones, tablets and more. To get an instant quote, you can visit Gazelle's website, enter a few details details about your phone or device and describe its condition. If you like the quote, you can send your phone to Gazelle for free according to the website. Once Gazelle receives your device, it will evaluate it and pay you via check, PayPal or Amazon gift card. How to sell your phone on Gazelle. You can get an instant quote online for your phone with Gazelle. If you decide to accept the quote, you can ship your phone for free to be inspected. Once it passes the inspection, you'll get paid via check, PayPal or Amazon gift card. Here are the steps to complete a transaction. The first step to selling your phone online is getting a quote. To do this, make sure you have the phone you're selling nearby to verify all the details about its specifications. When you first visit Gazelle's website, click Sell to get started. From there, you can choose the type of device you're selling, such as an iPhone, Samsung or Google phone. Then you'll be able to look up your phone's model with its IMEI number to get an offer backed by Gazelle's price promise, or you can get an estimate by selecting your phone's model, carrier and capacity. Finally, you'll be asked a few questions about the device's condition, including whether or not it powers on, if it's fully functional, if there are any cracks, and the overall cosmetic condition of the phone. Then you'll see an instant offer pending inspection. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Idea number 3. Become a social media manager. Many companies invest heavily in maintaining an online social media presence. Social media managers can work remotely, promoting a company or product on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Social media managers are individuals who manage the social media presence of a business or person. This role has become increasingly important because many organizations and public figures use social media to engage with their audience. To pursue this career, you must develop strong communication skills, earn a relevant degree, and master the use of social media. Many people think social media is easy. While it may be easy to share an image and post small commentary, there is actually a lot of data analytics and strategy that goes into it. What does a social media manager do? A social media manager is the person within an organization's communications, marketing or public relations department that monitors, filters, contributes to and guides the social media presence of a business, product or brand. Social media platforms are fast-paced and usually considered real-time marketing, so social media managers must be able to work quickly and respond and share information as it becomes available. The social media manager often must be well versed in news cycles and an industry expert for their company, business, product or service. Companies across all different industries have embraced social media as a method for acquiring and maintaining customers, so having someone who can manage their online presence is essential. Their main duties include creating editorial calendars of possible content related to timing and channel, publishing content to share through various social media channels. Each company may have a mix of social media channels that reach their specific market, responding to user-generated comments and feedback to create a positive brand experience for strong engagement. Creating campaigns with messages that represent the brand voice, tracking content and campaign success through engagement ratings, metrics and analytics, participating in visual design strategies, generating engagement and promotional strategies such as influencer marketing, generating organic traffic and paid advertising, presenting findings to upper management to assess and guide strategy moving forward, recognizing and reassessing if a certain platform is not producing the acceptable ROI, maintaining brand guidelines across all channels and working with team members to ensure brand messaging is consistent. Staying on top of trends. For example, using short videos are popular now, but memes continue to see high engagement. Contributing to the tone of the brand, be serious, responsible or even funny if and where it makes sense. Developing and representing the brand with a consistent personality. Be very clear on how this person would interact with its customers, partner brands brands and or even its competitors. For example, some fast food companies banter back and forth on Twitter with light humour and become viral with lots of engagement from customers in the sense of retweets and comments. Garner experience in social media marketing strategy. There is a myth that all young people can be great at social media because they have grown up with it and they have had cameras on their phones since they were teenagers. And while yes, they are great at learning new platforms and posting for their individual following, there is a lot of strategizing and thought put into a brand's social media platform or efforts. If being a social media manager interests you, you can garner experience by reaching out to friends, family members that own a small business. Get to know them and understand how or why they would want to post to social media platforms. Learn more about business objectives and how social media can enhance their business and even drive new customers. There are many layers to the value of social media: user-generated content, geographically relevant information, the ability for target marketing, but no business should be posting content without a strategy. There are some sincere considerations to how each business addresses their social media, and to be fair, they may change their strategy over time if one platform is not working for them. Each platform has its value and type of content, so a company or brand may need to select which ones are the best time and money investment for them. The best way to grow in this role is to have real-world work experience so you can hone the necessary skills and be a value add to the organisation. Idea number 4. Answer questions for justAnswer. justAnswer is a subscription service that hires writers to answer employment-related questions. Pay increases with experience. Idea number 5. Freelance on Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com posts a large variety of freelance jobs. Common freelance jobs include creative artwork, writing, and doing voiceovers. Fiverr has over 500 different categories of freelancing skills and over 800,000 freelancers offering their services on the website. So what can you bring to the table? Before you start freelancing on Fiverr, think seriously about what you can offer your clients. It's especially important to think about what makes you stand out from the competition. If you're still to decide on a niche, do some research to find out what the most profitable freelance writing niches are. These areas are always in demand, and as a beginner, you may be able to attract clients more easily by offering competitive prices. It can literally pay to do your research on Fiverr. Idea number 6. Provide academic tutoring online. Share your expertise with others using online video sessions. SAT and ACT prep, math and science are in-demand fields. Online tutoring is not just a professional occupation, it is more like a lifestyle. The effective online tutor rarely works regular hours and, as a specialist in their field, often discovers new teaching methods in the virtual classroom. Because online instruction is relatively new, the best decision a tutor can make is to test a variety of approaches that will suit their specific audience. Remember, you are the online teacher, therefore don't expect the audience to become educated on their own. Additionally, online students need your guidance and mentoring in order to learn new material. Be proactive and strictly plan your online training. It's all about strategy and dynamics. Mind your audience and create appropriate modules. In addition, plan all of your activities and divide the content into small pieces of information. A specific online environment can provide flexibility. It is a good practice to set rules so as to avoid distractions. Create your own pace of teaching and always be there for your students at a specified time and place. Online tutoring is a two-way process, so make sure that communication flows easily and pay attention to the different educational needs of all your students. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.